Hi, and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Roblox game not publishing. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the information that I am going to show you are from the forum website of Roblox. So let's get on it. So these are all the steps that you need to do. So first, just open your existing place and save it to a local file. So just keep track of this because it will be the way you restore the place at the end, and open the base plate template and use save to Roblox as to save other or save over the place that is having the problem. So just restart Studio and reopen the one you just save it over. So add a single part or make some small change, and then simply press the Control S on your keyboard to save it over again, and then load your RBXL from the first step and save over the place again to resolve or to restore the old version. So that's it for the first fix, and then what I'm going to show you next are some troubleshooting steps that you can do if you're having the issue. So what you can do is check out the panel or check output panel. So in the Roblox Studio, just open the view tab and just make sure that the output panel is visible. So this panel provides more detailed error messages that can help identify the issue. And next is to review scripts. So look through the scripts in the game and check for any errors or issue. Just pay attention to any error messages that appear in the output panel when the game is running. And next is to check for missing instances. So make sure that all required instances such as parts, tools, or models are present in the game, and if any required assets are missing, it can cause publishing errors. So next is to update Studio and plugins. So just ensure that both Roblox Studio and any plugins being used are up to date. Outdated versions of Studio or plugins may have compatibility issues. Next one is to recheck game settings. So just verify that the game settings or access settings platform compatibility are configured correctly. So incorrect settings can lead to publishing errors. Next is to remove unused plugins. So just disable or remove any unnecessary plugins because some plugins might interfere with publishing process. And next is to clear out cache. So to do this, just go to your file section and then advanced, and then click the clear output cache show in Roblox Studio. So this can help resolve issues related to cache data. And lastly is to try a different place file. So if issue persists, just consider creating a new place file and gradually copying elements from the original file to the new one, and this can help isolate the problematic component. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.